Hi everyone, I'm Lauren from a Menagerie of Stitches. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the back of your safety eyes flat. As you can see here, I've gone ahead and melted one of the eyes as an example. This is a really cool technique that I love to use if I have flat pieces where I don't want the safety eye post to stick out the back of my work. Here you can see a couple of examples of how I've used this technique. First, I have this slice of toast. It's made of two separate pieces, and if I hadn't melted the safety eyes, you would have seen the post on the back here. Same goes for this piece of bacon. It's two pieces, and if I hadn't melted the eyes, you would see them right here. I know this technique might sound crazy, but as long as you use extreme caution when doing it, it's honestly a game changer for flat amigurumi pieces. Make sure to do this outside or in a well-ventilated area and with adult supervision. To do this technique, you're going to need your crocheted piece with the safety backings already attached. You'll need a lighter and a small piece of cardboard, and I'll explain what we need the cardboard for as we go. To begin, I'm going to fold back my yarn so it's away from the safety eye. Then with my lighter, I'm going to carefully warm up the post. You don't want it to fully catch, so go slow and don't leave the lighter on it for more than a couple of seconds. Sometimes it will catch, but just blow it out quickly. Once it's heated up, I like to take the small piece of cardboard and press it to make the post flat. Then you can remove the cardboard and your eye post is flat. If the post is heated up enough, you'll have no issue pressing it flat. But if it's not, just use the lighter again to heat it up and press again. Using the cardboard helps so you don't burn yourself. The post will be hot, so make sure to let it cool off for a few seconds before touching it. After, you're left with a flat post that won't stick out of your work. Not as scary as you thought, right? This is definitely a technique that is optional, but I like to use it when needed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and free patterns. Happy crocheting, friends!